Namaskar. In this video I will discuss about steps to visualization ability. One regular issue come across in Yoga Nidra is difficulty in visualization. We all have the ability to envision plainly when the mind becomes focused. However, when the mind is dissipated, visualization is difficult since the attention cannot be held long enough for the image to take form. At this phase it is advised not to imagine, however simply to believe about and attempt to remember experiences associated with the image. The majority of people find this simple to do, and it is the preliminary action. Then as one continues to practice and the consciousness ends up being more withdrawn, images will begin to appear. These images might not stay long, or they might alter fit or kind. However, this procedure must be permitted to continue without attempting to require the image to end up being clear and constant. Once the awareness is totally withdrawn, then it can be focused and a clear image can be developed. When this state is achieved, the image appears as clear and as vibrant as in real life. Actually, visualization is an effortless process. Many people try to visualize by projecting an image outside themselves. However, while visualizing, it is important to relax and let the image arise within the consciousness. There is no effort involved, no projection of the image. It appears naturally and spontaneously. This is one useful key to visualization ability. Another key is to begin to practice by visualizing familiar objects, daily routines, and events which have left a strong impression on the mind. When visualizing an object, it should be made as large as possible in the mental space, and it should have dynamic expression. So, if you're asked to visualize a lion, don't try to visualize a lion sitting tamely in a corner of a cage, but make it large and ferocious, prowling and roaring through the jungle. Dynamic images which have action and expression can be visualized more easily in the beginning. Once this stage is accomplished, static images can be introduced. Don't be afraid to make use of the ridiculous in your visualizations. If the elephant you are attempting to visualize is standing on his head, that is alright. In fact, you can make him do a few acrobatics as well. You have complete freedom within your own mind, so use it in your visualizations.